Crows, vultures,
Okay.
eagles, falcon.
Okay. So we are doing nutrition in animals. Yes.
Ma'am.
Mm. So today we have to start with the modes of taking food inside the body. Okay. How different organisms consume their food.
Like basically how animals take in food by different methods. Yes, ma'am?
Sorry.
Like how animals take in food by different methods.
Yes. What could be the methods of taking food? Can you name few methods?
Ma'am, eating,
If we'll be talking how you eat the food. First of all, first mode of taking food is by
ingestion.
chewing. By chewing. Okay. So whenever you take food into your mouth, okay, so you have the teeth for chewing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So chewing involves biting. Yes. Whenever you are taking a food particle in your mouth, so you are biting it with
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
with
ma'am.
the teeth. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no involves biting with the teeth present in the mouth. Can you give me an example? Which what organisms take their food through chewing?
Ma'am, humans,
Very good. Humans are there. Then you
mammals,
must
like
have
I
seen
guess,
yeah, mammals. You must have seen the cows also.
yeah, the cows, the cats, dogs,
Yeah. All could be the examples for your mode of taking
chew.
the food by chewing. Okay. Okay, Shreya, let me write it first. Okay. First you listen, then I'll give you time to write. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is your siphoning. Okay. Do you know what is siphoning?
No, ma'am.
See, siphoning is the mode where the food is sucked. Okay. Where the food is sucked.
Sucked. Ma'am, sucked or like sucked?
Sucked. S-U-C-K-E-D. Sucked
Oh,
in the mouth.
ED. Okay.
Can you give me an
Like
example for this?
when we use a straw, right?
Sorry.
The like the way we use a straw.
Sucking, yes. Can I give the
Ma'am,
example of bees, butterflies? Yes.
yeah. Ma'am, they
All
suck the neck.
these, yeah, all these suck the food. Okay. Third method is the scrapping. What do you mean by scrapping, Shreya? Any idea about it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if this food is scraped off the surface. Okay, scraped off the surface. Okay, how can it be possible and which organisms it is possible?
Ma'am, like the food is, I don't understand
Yes.
the meaning of
See,
wrapping.
let's say I'm giving you an example for scrapping is through by the snails. Okay, so how the snails move?
Ma'am, they move like really slowly.
Okay, and this is scraped off the surface by the jaws. Where are your jaws present?
The mouth.
So jaws is this part in which you have the teeth. Okay, so in this, food is scraped off the surface by the jaws. Okay, or any other organ. Okay, so these people don't like these organisms don't have specialized area or the part to take the food inside the body. Okay, so let's say just as humans have the mouth to that are having various things such as your teeth for chewing. Okay, so for the siphoning process, your bees must be having the mouth. Okay, so as you gave me the example through the suctioning. Okay, through the straw sucking is there. Okay,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
case of scrapping the snails or the, can you give me any other example for this? Have you
Ma'am,
seen
snake.
how ants take their food?
They like, not exactly, ma'am.
Okay, see, whenever ants take their food, they carry very small particles. They are very small creatures. Okay, so they carry the food particle where if
Hey,
you
but
won't be able to see it with the naked eyes. You find it that they carry it onto their back, but it's not exactly onto their back. Okay, it is taken up by their jaws or any other organ. It could be the limbs also. Okay, it could be onto the back also. Fine. So they don't have a specialized mouth for carrying it. Okay, this is how. Yeah, this mode is known as scrapping. Fine. Yes or
okay,
no? Another
okay.
is capturing and swallowing.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
swallowing.
okay.
Do you know how the food can be captured? In this, food can be
Ma'am, like example,
captured.
ma'am,
Sorry.
like the like the insectivorous plants, they basically capture the insects in that way.
See, whenever, let's say, have you seen a lizard capturing its food? See what they
Yes, ma'am.
usually do.
Ma'am, frog also the same way, right?
Yes, yes. What they usually do, they don't bite, they don't chew it, they just swallow it.
Hmm.
Once
Yes.
have taken any animal into their mouth or anything into their mouth, they have the capability to capture. Okay, mouth is for chewing. Okay, but in this case they capture their prey and swallow it. Okay, they don't
Okay.
chew it. Fine, they don't cut it into pieces. Got it?
Okay. Ma'am, what about a snake?
Yes, snake can also be the example for this.
This one,
Because
okay.
they don't have that much specialized teeth to eat any organism, a very big organism. So they have the property to swallow it. Okay.
Okay.
We have one more. I want you to write all these four. Then we have one more, sucking and sponging. Okay. We have two more modes of taking food. First, you write these. Then we'll move on to this. Any doubt in any of the mode?
No, ma'am. Like I just still didn't understand like properly about the scrapping. Like
Okay,
How will it
I'll
start?
show you this. I'll show you this. Okay, how the ants or the snails take their food. Okay, I'll show you this. First, you write it.
Okay.
Shreya, I'm not able to hear you.
No, I'm just reading this.
Done. Is it done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you write after like capturing and swallowing? Swallowing,
Yes,
right?
swallowing. Swallowing.
Okay.
Swallowing is something when you are not chewing it with your teeth, but directly taking that into your body.
Yes, ma'am, I know, I know.
Is it good for humans?
Ma'am,
Sometimes humans do swallowing also. Is it good
no,
for them? Why?
no. Because the food can get stuck in your throat.
Yes, it can get stuck into your throat. And one more thing, your teeth are present into your mouth for converting the complex food substances into the simpler ones. Okay, why? Because so that once the food is going into your stomach, it can be digested easily. Okay, direct swallowing can cause acid reflux. Okay, The food
Yes.
might not get digested. It can cause any of the disease. Okay. It can cause stomach pain also. Whenever anything is not digested,
Yes, ma'am.
there will be abdominal cramps also. Okay. That's why it is always said that we have to take the food by chewing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me finish all the modes first, then I'll show you how the scrapping takes place. Okay.
Japaning.
So fifth mode is sucking. What do you mean by sucking? How the food can be taken through sucking?
Isn't it the same like the second mode sipping?
No, it is not same to that. See, have you seen the mosquito bite?
Yes, ma'am.
How it
Oh, like
acts?
yes.
It
It basically.
pierces, yeah, it pierces any of its body part into your skin, okay, and suck the blood from it. Okay, so can I say piercing? There will be piercing of the food and sucking the liquid out of it. Okay, this is common in
Mosquitoes among leeches also, right?
yes, mosquitoes, leeches are there. The sixth mode is the sponging. Okay, what do you mean by this term sponging? Sponging, making something spongy, soft. Can I say
I'm like soft,
yes or
but
no? So
yes,
that
ma'am.
it
Like
can be easily taken into the body. So it involves saliva. Okay, saliva covers the food.
okay.
Okay, to dissolve it. Why? Why the saliva is needed? Why the food should be covered with the saliva? Because to dissolve it so that it can be easily taken into your mouth. Okay. So in order to draw it into the mouth. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. So like the saliva makes the food basically like spongy.
Yeah. It makes the food spongy. Okay. So that it
Hmm.
can be easily taken. Okay. The example could be the house fly. Okay. House fly could be the example. Quickly note down this.
Oh, okay, one second.
Freya, are you in the meeting here?
Yes, ma'am. Just writing. Give me 1 minute.
Actually, your video is off. I can't see you.
It's on.
But you are not visible to.
Wait, let me try switching it off.
Yeah. Now I can see you.
Can you see me? I'm done writing.
You have written this?
Yes.
I'll show you how the scrapping takes place.
Yeah, sure. Mom, are you sharing a screen?
Yes, I have shared it now. See, if you can observe this, are you able to see that rather than mouth, the ant is taking the food from the other part of the body? Yes or no? Yes. So this is the scrapping method, that they take their food. It seems that it is taking it onto its back. Okay. So this is how they take their food. Or if one more I want to show you. If you can see this, here also they are taking the food with them. Yes or no?
Small.
Okay. See, they are covering the whole food.
Food,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now they will take each of the part from it onto their back or somewhere with other organ. Okay. Getting it or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got
This is
it.
the exactly scrapping method. Okay. Now let's come on to the nutrition part. How the animals derive their nutrition. Okay. So we'll be talking about the humans first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So as we have already discussed in the last chapter, that what is nutrition?
It's the way by which the organism takes in its food.
Process of taking food inside the body and utilizing it in the form of what?
In the form of energy.
Yes, very good. In the form of energy. Because whatever we are eating, whatever nutrients we are taking, so they are responsible for providing the energy only. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So, what could be the processes? How the food is taken inside the body, how it get digested, how it get absorbed, how it get assimilated, and it is excreted out of the body. So first process is taking the food inside the
Yes,
body, that is ingestion. Okay. What do you mean by
nutrition.
ingestion?
The process by which the food is taken inside your body.
Yes. So can I simply write intake of food into the body? Priya, let me write it first here, then you can write it. Okay?
Okay.
Please don't write whenever I am speaking. Okay? Now, what happens in the first, the food has gone into your body. Now, second step which takes place is the digestion. What happens in the digestion?
The food gets digested.
Okay. So, what do you mean by the term digestion? I can say breaking down of complex food, to simpler,
Simpler form of the food.
simpler form. Okay. This is exactly known as the digestion. Okay. Third one, once it is digested, it get absorbed. Okay. So this will be absorption. Where does it takes place?
Ma'am, intestine?
Small intestine. Okay. And digestion takes place in which organ?
Stomach.
Very good. Okay. So, okay. Which component is there inside your stomach which breaks down this complex food into simpler one?
Ma'am, what is there?
What's the component inside the stomach which is responsible for breaking down the complex food into simpler one? Or I can say exactly the digestion. Which component inside your stomach is responsible
Digestion.
for digestion?
Ma'am, stomach it takes place.
I know it takes place inside the stomach, but stomach must be containing a component which is responsible for digesting it. Yes or no? You remember
Yes,
that
stomach
you have
takes
HCl, hydro,
chloric acid, right?
yes, hydrochloric acid you have inside your stomach, which is responsible for digesting it. Okay, if I tell you a fact that if hydrochloric acid mistakenly drops onto one of your finger, it will cause a severe burn. But you have this component in your stomach and your stomach is not burning. Why?
Yeah. Ma'am, I have no clue.
Because let's say this is your stomach. Okay. This is the shape of your stomach. Okay. So it is having a covering. Okay. Inside layer is there, which is of mucus. Okay. So this is mucus lining. Once it depletes, this will cause the acid reflux. Do you know what is acid reflux?
Ma'am, heard of it.
Acid reflux when the it seems that your acid is coming out of your mouth, or I can say it is coming into your esophagus. Esophagus is the food pipe. We'll be discussing various parts of the digestive system, but from the stomach, if the mucus lining it depletes, so this acid, it will not completely come out of your body, but it will cause the acid reflux, something which is coming back. Okay, since it is
Okay.
present into your stomach, but due to the depletion of this layer, it can come up to till the esophagus and will cause indigestion. Okay, what it will cause? Indigestion. Okay,
So this
so
layer protects the stomach from getting burned.
yes, this is protecting it from getting burned. Okay, this mucus lining. Okay,
No.
okay. So another term for acid reflux is acidity. You must have
Yeah.
seen people saying that we are feeling so much acidity after eating something. Why?
After what, ma'am?
After eating something heavy, oily, fried food, or very much,
Yeah.
yeah. which is very much heavy for your body. Okay, so why people usually say that we are feeling acidity?
Most probably because like this acid is coming up till your esophagus.
Due to indigestion. Okay, if your food is not getting digested, it will come out through your esophagus, and sometimes it can cause vomiting. Okay,
Vomit.
so undigested food will come out of your mouth through the vomiting. Okay, through the vomit. Okay, so to neutralize this acidity, what we usually take? Do
Ma'am,
you
we
know?
take
Acid can be neutralized by the base. Yes or no?
yes,
We have
ma'am.
already done it in the acid, bases, and
Uh,
salts. That acid
then
can be
take
neutralized with the base. So we usually take magnesium hydroxide, okay, all these contents, or we can take antacids. Okay, antacids are the medicines or the drugs. Okay, it could be in the syrup form also, it could be in the tablet form
tablet.
also. Yeah, so as to neutralize the acidity. Got it? Is
Yes,
this
ma'am.
clear to you? So have you understood how much digestion is important in your body? And absorption will only take place when there will
In
be
the
digestion of the food. Otherwise, whatever you have eaten, if it has not digested, there is no use of it. Because indigestion will lead to unabsorption of the food. Okay? And if the food is not absorbed into your body, that means your body is not able to take the nutrients, and it will not convert it into energy. Getting it? That how much this digestion and absorption are interlinked to each other. Yes or no? Shreya, are you in the
yes,
meeting here?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you not hear me? Like
Now I can hear you.
no, I was
Earlier,
saying yeah.
earlier you were not. I wasn't able to hear you. Okay, now you are audible to me. So absorption is what? Can I say it is the process where digested food, the food which has digested, is absorbed or taken into blood vessels. Okay, why? Why it is taken into the blood vessels? I want to know the
Ma'am,
reason.
why the digested food is absorbed or like it's taken into the blood vessels?
Yes. Why it is not taken directly to the organ for the utilization? Why it is taken through the blood vessels?
Uh,
Because your body will take everything through the blood only. Blood is the transport fluid. Yes, it is
yeah,
responsible for transporting all the nutrients, waste. So
out the
whatever is transported into your body, whether it could be the oxygen, okay, whether it could be the carbon dioxide, whether it could be the waste, okay, whether it could be the absorbed part, absorbed material, all are taken by the blood to various organs into your body for their utilization. Got it or not? Yes or no?
yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then fourth process is the assimilation. Do you know what is assimilation? Any idea
Ma'am,
about this term?
ma'am, I've heard. Wait, no, one second. Let me.
We have understood that the absorbed the absorption is done and it is taken by the blood vessels. So the process of taking this absorbed food, okay, the absorbed food to various organs, to various organs.
About digestion, the whole.
Sorry,
I was thinking about digestion.
Ingestion. Ingestion is whenever you are taking food inside your body.
Yeah. No, egestion, I was thinking about that.
Egestion is something else. It is removing the waste material from the body.
Yes, I was thinking about that. Like, I forgot the term.
That is the last process. That is after assimilation. See, once the absorbed food is taken to various organs for the utilization, okay, that is known as the assimilation. Okay, yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
last one is your, as you said, this is egestion. Egestion is also known as excretion, I can say.
Yes, ma'am. It's the
Okay,
way by the body excretes the undigested
very
food.
eliminate the, in simple terms, eliminate waste products from the body.
Through anus, right? Through
Yeah.
anus.
Yes. So that's okay. We'll be discussing about each component of the digestive system. Okay. But first understand this is the process how the food is taken into the body. How it gets digested by the action of what components, how it is absorbed into the small intestine. Do you know how it is absorbed into the small intestine, Shreya? You have cilia present over there. Okay. In the small intestine, you have cilia. Cilia are the hairy appearances. Okay. So they are responsible for absorbing the food into the small intestine. Then once the food is absorbed, so it should be taken to various parts of the body, various organs of the body so that they can perform their function. Okay. So that
Yes.
they can utilize it for the energy. So that process is known as the assimilation. And coming on to the digestion, as you well said, whatever undigested food is there, whatever unabsorbed food is there, whatever waste product is there into your body, it should be eliminated. Now I am asking you why. Why the
Ma'am,
undigested? Yeah. Why
yes,
it
ma'am.
should
What were
be
you saying?
eliminated? I'm asking why digestion is important in the body.
Yes, ma'am. I'll let that bit once again add this one small doubt that in absorption you told that there's something it's cilia.
Cilia. Cilia, yes.
Cilia. But my teacher also taught me about something that's like villi.
These cilia are the villi only, dear. These are the finger-like projections only. Hairy appearances only. Okay? Villi are the cilia only.
Oh, so
Okay?
they are the same names for.
Villi are
Oh,
also the finger-like projections. They are resembling the hairy appearances. Cilia is also the, those finger-like projections are the villi or the cilia. Both are same. Okay?
so it's the same thing, but there are two names for it.
Names can be different, but both
Yeah,
of
like
them are same.
yeah. Okay, got it.
Okay?
Hmm.
Yes, I was asking something, Shreya. You did not give me the answer.
Yeah, that why it's important to remove this undigested food in the body, right?
Yes, why it is important.
Ma'am, because our body like it keeps getting the a fresh amount of food, so it cannot have like unlimited space in it. So it
See,
can't.
increased toxicity in the body can damage the organs. Simple
In,
as that. Increased toxicity. Okay? If there will be increased waste material, if there be accumulation or collection of the undigested, unabsorbed food, all the waste material, then it would create the toxicity in the body, and toxicity can damage the various organs of the body. Okay, that's why all these waste products should be removed from your body. Okay, what
is
happens when the kidneys get damaged? What's the role of the kidney, Shreya? What's the role of
ma'am,
the kidney?
What, ma'am? What did you ask? Like what?
I'm asking what's the role of the kidneys in the body?
The role of kidney, ma'am. One second, ma'am. Kidney, it
Okay, tell
basically
me,
filters our
are
blood.
kidneys
It
the
filters the
excretory
blood and
organ?
it removes the waste products. It removes the waste products and like the excess substances in the body, in the form of urea.
Urine, formation of the urine. Okay, in simple terms, filtration of the urine. Okay, filtration of the blood, formation of the urine. Fine. And how it get removed? It get collected into your bladder. Okay, and
Yeah,
get
gallbladder,
removed
yes,
through the
ma'am.
urethra. Okay,
Hmm.
we'll be talking about these in detail, but in higher classes. Won't have much to do with these organs in this class. Okay, I'm just giving you an overview for that. Okay, so excretory organs into your body is the kidneys. Okay, quickly note down all these things so that we can move on to the next topic. That is digestion in humans. Okay,
Digestion in?
do you know that digestion starts? Do you know that digestion starts from the mouth only?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be dealing with the digestion in humans.
Like
Okay,
in the buccal
quickly note down
cavity.
this.
In the
Yeah,
buccal
buccal
cavity, right?
cavity or buccal cavity. Yeah, we usually call it as buccal cavity.
Buccal cavity. Ma'am, shall I draw this diagram also?
If you wish, you can draw it for the understanding. I know I'm not good at drawing,
No, it's fine.
but for the understanding, you can.
Ma'am, when I was reading my textbook for the chapter Nutrition and Plants, I came up with this, ma'am.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Yeah, yeah. So I came up with this topic that when these leguminous plants, when they make this nitrogen from the rhizobium bacteria, they
Okay.
use up they use up all the nitrogen, right? But then
Yeah.
sometimes, like in a few cases, the nitrogen is left. Like the plant does not use all the nitrogen. So it
Yes.
basically sends to the roots in the soil. So it basically benefits the farmers, as in the place where those leguminous plants were grown, some like a particular amount of nitrogen is still available there. So the when the farmer grows new crops over there, which are like not leguminous crops, those plants can take the nitrogen from that
So
soil,
they
and
would
that's
not need to add the fertilizers
yes, ma'am.
because some amount of nitrogen is there. So fertilizers don't need to add the fertilizer. Farmers don't need to add the fertilizers into the soil.
Yeah, I was just confirming that.
Shreya, I think you will better understand this chapter from the diagrams. Okay. So I'll be teaching you all the, like, let's say you will be dealing with three organisms here: the digestion in the humans, the process of taking food inside the body of the amoeba. Okay, and one more is there, grass eating animals. Okay, so I'll be showing you the figures for that, otherwise you will not understand it. So I think I should start it with next class, the digestion in humans, because it is an important topic and it will require at least half an hour to explain. Okay, because there are various functioning of each part. So you please write it. From the next class, I'll be starting with the main parts of this topic. Okay, that is digestion in humans, because it is one of the important topic and more questions can be asked from this, and it will take more marks. Okay, so whenever your teacher will be giving this topic in your school exam, so they will be giving you for higher number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt up till now, Shreya?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, is it pronounced as acid reflex or acid reflux?
Reflux. Reflex is different thing. See, reflex is another term and reflux is another term. I am writing one more here. Where's the pen? Okay, yeah. Reflex. You can write it somewhere. Reflex is something generating response. Okay, generating response. And reflux, something which is coming back. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Reflex is something generated. Okay, I'll give you an example for this. Let's say you have touched the hot object. Okay, and you suddenly withdraw your hand from there. Why?
Because it's really hot, like your skin might burn. You're scared of that.
Yes, because the sensory neurons, okay, the sensory messengers will take that message from the skin to the brain, and
Yes.
your brain will give instruction to your motor neurons. Motor neurons meaning the neurons, the nerve cells, which are responsible for the muscle contraction so that movement can happen. So sensory neurons that are present onto your skin, they have taken the information to your brain, and the brain has commanded the motor neurons to withdraw the hand. Yes. So
Yes.
that withdrawing of the hand from that particular object is the reflex, is the spontaneous response which is generated